Hey guys, today I'm making an unboxing video, and if you guys, you don't see it, but for real, it's right here. So let me open it. Opening. Just wait. It's time to open it. Somehow. Okay, can I open it? So just have to do it the old fashioned. Oh. Okay. Ooh, just fill out. Clean boy. Ooh. I unboxed these stuff before, and they're really cool. And this is a Rengoku Marichiro. So let me just get my Rengoku plushie. I forgot where it was, but it's okay, right? Right? Okay, let's just open this. Do you guys know how to assemble this? Because if I do it, it's my first time. I think like this. What? Bruh. Okay. Okay. Oh, there. Finally. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. But bruh, look at this. If you guys guessed, it's Rengoku's sword, but I already told you, so you should know. Just wait, I got Marichiros. I'm going to see you. Look at this. Marichiros and Rengoku's. This one doesn't have a keychain because my dad took it off. Well, that's all what this is supposed to go on. But I don't really care, so bye. See you next time.